Hello everyone, and welcome to Depression to Expression. My name is Scott, and this is where we have an honest dialogue about mental health. Now, if you've been with me before, maybe even for the past 6 years with 600 mental health videos, you know this is how it goes. That I don't come with a script, and I usually offer some kind of invitation to you, trying something new and something that I've used from my own experience, whether that be a product, perspective, different kinds of therapy, meditation, doesn't matter, and it's usually for depression and or anxiety. And I've been doing that for the past 6 years. So for those of you who are new, that's how usually a video goes. For those of you who are back, well, welcome back. I'd like to talk about CBD today, because this is something that is now in my mental health toolbox, specifically CBD Vape Oil. I have an awesome company to talk to you about, and they've been very selfless and sent me some products to try out, and I've been using them for the past week, but I want to talk about that in a little bit and actually smoke for you. So CBD to me, just like anything I talk about on this channel, it's not a one-size-fits-all. It's not a solution for everything. Right? And there's danger in that, in saying this is the cure. It's not for a lot of people. It's not. I've heard great stories about CBD oil, CBD vape oil, people using it in their everyday routine. You can put it in milkshakes, you can smoke it, you can put it under your tongue. There's been great stories. Other people say, hey, I tried it, doesn't really work. Or hey, I don't even want to try it, which is fine. So the company I'm talking about is Avida. And Avida, sister company of Liquid EFX, they've been in business for 5 years. They know CBD isolate very well. They've worked with like award-winning flavorists to give you the best flavors possible. Blue raspberry, mango, berry grape, and the green was actually flavorless. I've been using these for the past week. I've tried all of them, but I'm going to show you how they actually work, what they look like, the actual bottles, and how to actually put it in a vape pen. You can use any kind of pen you want, and this CBD vape oil works with any kind of vape pen. Obviously, if you choose to try out the Avida vape oil, there's a 20% discount in the description. Again, it's an invitation. Rip it up and leave it, or you can try it out. Works for me. Does it work for you? Okay. So, this is just any vape pen you want to use, guys. Any vape pen works with the oil. So this one, you pull out, and you have just a little area where the oil goes in. That's it. So what we're going to do is, this pen's not great the way you load it, but I'm sure there's better mechanisms out there. So what I'm going to do is take tweezers, and there's just like a little cap here. So I use tweezers just to take that out, and now we have this. Now, what flavor should I do? I am a fan of the mango, so I'm gonna open up a box. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll do berry grape. Let's do berry grape. And honestly, I know this doesn't matter for a lot of people, but this is actually beautiful packaging. Like, check it out, man. Oh, nice voice crack. Check it out. This is actually beautiful packaging. Beautiful. Take a look. When I'm done with the oil, I'm just gonna like have these on my shelf just because it looks cool. So that's what it looks like, and you have the dropper, of course, sealed, tightly sealed, because you have to push down. Focus camera, hi. You have to push down and twist. The dropper, now that comes out, and look at that, you already have half a dropper full. So I'm just gonna squeeze that out, and as you know how they work, you dip it in. One squeeze, you get about half a dropper full. You see that? So to get a full dropper, you just put that in, and then you suck in again and get the other half. And in one dropper full, which is basically 2 pulls, you have 17 milligrams of CBD isolate. Now, in the whole bottle, there's 500 milligrams of CBD isolate. So, man, one bottle, that's a lot of vaping. That's a lot of vaping. I have not come close to finishing a bottle in a week. Not even close. I don't vape that much, but still, that's a lot. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take the oil, there we go, and I'm going to just drop in. Geez, it actually took, yeah. So one of these takes about half the dropper. That's it right there, guys. That's it. Take your dropper. I'm going to take that seal, put it back on. I would definitely recommend Googling a vape pen if you want to use the CBD vape oil. I did another review about specific cartridges that have the oil inside, but this is so you can use any kind of vape pen. So look at that. We have a full tank full of CBD isolate, 99% CBD isolate, and we take the other battery, pop it in, and we're good to go. It's as easy as that. I think like the reason I like vaping, it's the fastest way to get CBD into your system and you feel that instant relief. But secondly, the CBD, just the action of taking the bottle, right? Taking the bottle, twisting the cap off, filling up the dropper, getting the tank, you know, just the ritual of doing that, and then the ritual of smoking is anxiety reducing in itself. A lot of people use CBD. I know it's the studies for seizures in children and adults are just incredible. But for anxiety and depression, there's so many studies coming out, especially now that marijuana is legal in Canada. A lot of studies are going to be coming out about CBD and cannabis. So I think like I've already noticed results using this with the anxiety I experience. So man, again, if you want to try out the products, 20% off, link in the description. So we have a full pen, and now we're gonna smoke it. We're gonna smoke it. Okay? So it goes a little something like this. Ooh, that is berry grape. That is delicious. That is delicious. Wow. Wow. That is, oh my gosh. It's really good. It's really good. Wow. Wow. So you can use any vape pen, oils, all different flavors, links in the description. Guys, again, it's an invitation. I don't care if you buy it. But if you do, let me know what you think. Like, let me know, even if you're using different oil and you're vaping, like, let me know if CBD has worked for you. In the other video I did, there were so many people saying that CBD has worked wonders. And if this is something that's really going to take off for people dealing with anxiety, again, this mixed with CBT, mixed with maybe therapy, mixed with exercise regime, right? It's all about being the best we possibly can in life, and we need tools to go along with that. We need tools throughout our journey in life. And if this works for you, man, all the power to you. Works for me. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Link in the description for Avida CBD Vape Oil. Get yours today, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Seriously, please comment, please share, please subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, please email me. All links in the description. Stay strong, keep being you. Express yourself. And question everything.